Welcome back to Habit of Culture. Have you ever found yourself feeling overwhelmed by emotions, stuck in a mental fog, or searching for clarity in your life? If so, you're not alone. Throughout history, people have turned to journaling as a timeless practice to reflect, grow, and find that much-needed clarity. In today's edition, we'll explore the art of journaling and how this simple habit can truly transform your life. Whether you're looking to process emotions, spark creativity, or gain focus, journaling is a powerful and accessible tool that can help. So let's dive in and discover how to make it work for you. Habit 1, the benefits of journaling. Why should you start journaling? Let's talk about the incredible benefits of this practice. Firstly, journaling is a proven way to reduce stress. By writing down your thoughts and feelings, you can effectively process emotions and clear your mind, providing much-needed stress relief. Secondly, journaling allows you to organize your thoughts, which enhances clarity. It becomes easier to solve problems and make decisions when you have a clear understanding of your own thoughts. Thirdly, by writing about your dreams and aspirations, you're more likely to achieve them. Journaling keeps you focused and accountable, and it serves as a powerful tool for goal setting and achievement. Additionally, the act of free writing in your journal can unlock ideas and insights you didn't even know you had, boosting your creativity in unexpected ways. Lastly, journaling slows you down and promotes mindfulness. It helps you focus on the present moment, appreciating the journey of life and all its wonders. The beauty of journaling lies in its personal nature. You can tailor it to meet your specific needs and goals, making it a truly transformative practice. Habit 2, different types of journals now. Let's explore the various types of journals you can explore. Gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This simple practice can shift your mindset toward positivity and cultivate gratitude in your life. Reflective journal. Use this journal to process your day, events, or emotions in depth. It allows for a deeper exploration of your thoughts and experiences. Bullet journal. Combine organization with creativity. With bullet journals, you can track tasks, goals, and habits in a visually appealing and organized way that suits your style. Creative journal. Fill this journal with doodles, poetry, sketches, or story ideas. It's a space to nurture your artistic side and explore your creativity freely. Dream journal. Capture and reflect on your dreams to uncover subconscious patterns and gain insights into your inner world. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to journal. The key is to choose a journaling style that resonates with you, allowing you to fully express yourself and harness the benefits of this practice. Habit 3, how to start journaling. Starting your journaling journey is easier than you think. Here's how to get started. Firstly, choose a journal that you'll enjoy using. It could be a fancy leather-bound notebook or a simple spiral pad. The choice is yours. Next, set aside 5-10 minutes each day for journaling. Morning and bedtime are great options for reflection and intention setting. Don't worry about grammar or spelling. Just start small and write freely about whatever is on your mind. This practice is for you, and there are no rules or restrictions. If you find yourself feeling stuck or unsure of what to write, try using prompts. Questions like, what made me smile today? Or what's one thing I want to accomplish this week? Can help get your creative juices flowing. Finally, be consistent. Make journaling a habit and a natural part of your routine. By dedicating yourself to this practice over time, you'll reap even more benefits and insight. Remember, your journal is your private space. Write without judgment or fear. Embrace the freedom to explore your thoughts and emotions, and let the power of journaling transform your life. That's it for today's edition of Habit of Culture. We hope you feel inspired to start your own journaling journey and experience the transformative power of this simple yet profound habit. Until next time, are you struggling to stick to journaling? If so, you're not alone. Many people find it challenging to maintain this habit consistently, but don't worry. I'm here to help you overcome some common challenges and make journaling a regular part of your life. One common challenge is not having enough time. You might feel like you're always busy and can't find the time to sit down and write. However, even just 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Start small and gradually increase the time you dedicate to journaling. Trust me, those few minutes will be worth it. Another challenge some people face is not knowing what to write. It can be intimidating to face a blank page and not know where to start. In these moments, I encourage you to use prompts, the prompts provided earlier, such as what are 3 things you're grateful for today, or what does happiness mean to you? can be great starting points. If those don't resonate with you, simply begin with a simple sentence like, "Today I feel," and let your thoughts flow from there. Fear of someone reading your journal can also be a barrier to consistent journaling. You might worry about your privacy being invaded or someone judging your thoughts and feelings. In such cases, it's essential to find a private place to keep your journal. Choose a secure spot where you know no one else will come across it. Alternatively, consider using a digital journaling app that offers password protection. This way, you can ensure that only you have access to your journal. Remember, journaling is not about perfection. It's about progress. There is no right or wrong way to do it. It's all about exploring your thoughts and emotions, gaining clarity, and understanding yourself better. So don't put too much pressure on yourself to create the perfect journal entry. Embrace the imperfections and let your journal be a reflection of your unique journey. Journaling has the power to transform your life. By taking just a few minutes each day to write down your thoughts and experiences, you can unlock clarity, reduce stress, and grow in ways you never imagined. It's a journey of self-discovery and intentional living. So grab a pen and notebook, or open up a digital journaling app, and embark on this adventure today. You never know what you might discover about yourself along the way. Start with the prompts we discussed earlier, and revisit them whenever you need inspiration. Thank you for watching Habit of Culture. If this video has inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more habits that can transform your life. I'll see you next time.